Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide video, I'll walk you through the steps on how can you install and configure WireGuard VPNs. To follow these steps, you want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. So first of all, you need to create the WireGuard configuration in your user office. To do this, you just have to get the VPN Unlimited subscription and go to the user office and log in using your KeepSolid ID. After which you'll need to navigate to your subscription section and press manage next to the VPN Unlimited service. Now then, in the manual configuration section, select an existing device or create a new one. Now pick server location and choose the WireGuard VPN protocol. After which you need to click generate to get manual WireGuard configuration for your Windows device. So what you have to do is basically you need to download the WireGuard app from the official website. So I'm gonna leave the link on my description box below as well. Then open the WireGuard app, press import tunnel from file and select the WireGuard configuration file that was previously downloaded from your user office. Now then press the activate button. Now your secure WireGuard VPN connection is established. On the other fields, you need to get started with the VPN Unlimited right away. You need to configure WireGuard connection using a Windows VPN client. So launch VPN Unlimited on your Windows device. Then open the menu. To do this, you need to press on the menu bar from the top left hand side corner of the main screen. Go to settings from the other page. And then you want to find the VPN. Your VPN connection is active. It will be automatically reconnected using the chosen VPN protocol. Then you need to select the WireGuard VPN protocol and move back to the main screen. And then choose the appropriate server location and enjoy the fast and reliable WireGuard VPN connection. So that is how it works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.